From here on out, we move into questions that are more kind of standard fare for our department, which is just ones where we're finding derivatives of functions that are just defined algebraically. So first one we're looking for, we're doing a little bit more than just finding a derivative. We're finding the equation for the line tangent to the curve at a particular point. So we need to remember that this means in the end, we're going to have something that looks like this. Ooh, come on, pen. You can keep up with me. Right, and in this case, we have been given the point, so we're already here. Y minus e is equal to mx minus 1. And the issue is just that we need to go figure out what the heck our m is. Ooh, that's not the right thing. And m, our slope of our tangent line, is the derivative at a particular point. So we know, let's go ahead and find me a derivative. Let's go figure out what dy dx is. So we need to recognize that this is another quotient rule, right? We have ex divided by x, so this is low d high minus high d low all over low, right? That's it. Perfect. Derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Derivative of x is 1, so everything is where it needs to be. And we need to plug in these values, 1 and e. So let's go ahead and evaluate this at 1, comma e. We only really need to plug in the 1. So even let's go ahead and let's go back a second. Let's just write evaluate it out. That's what we use for that line is equal to 1. So all right, if we evaluate this at x is equal to 1, kind of like our limit notation right now, I still have that x there, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this is clear. We have 1 e to the 1 minus e to the 1, all over 1 squared. E minus e is just 0. So our slope is 0. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with that. And there's nothing here saying you need to make this look nice, so you could have just stopped here. A lot of students in my class last semester recognize that this is then just y is equal to e, because that 0 makes that entire the right side just, that's 0 times anything is 0. We can add e to both sides. So either one of these is perfectly acceptable for this answer. There you are, and we're done.